everyone, welcome to Savirasa channel. I am Jayashree. Today I will be making a delicious and healthy vegetable thalipattu using a banana leaf. This traditional method of cooking is simple and eco-friendly. The main ingredients used here are chopped onions, green chilli, any kind of vegetables. Put all the chopped vegetables in a large wide vessel. Add roasted peanuts, cumin seeds, raw ginger, garlic paste, salt, baking soda, jowar atta, besan atta, brown rice atta, curry leaves, methi leaves, coriander leaves, tomato, and stir it well. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, chilli powder. Mix it everything together. Here I am using a banana leaf to take out the mixture dough. Give a good shape by preparing vegetable mixture dough. Heat a pan with oil and cook the thalipattu until it's golden brown and crispy. While the pan is hot, immediately prepared thalipattu fry well. This thalipattu is very tasty and healthy with a fragrant aroma. You can enjoy with coconut chutney or curd with any chutney pudis. Please give a comment in comment section. Thank you.